Hi, welcome to Stitchin Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie, and I am so excited to share with you today one of our quilts that is starting in August 2024. It is a quilt that will put you in the mood for the beautiful season of autumn that is coming up. The name of this quilt is Autumn Frolic. It is designed by Fig Tree & Company. And this quilt is a 57.5 by 64.5 inch quilt, which is about a throw size quilt. It is a 12-month program, and this quilt, the design and the instructions, features the sew and flip method, which makes it enjoyable for all skill levels. So it's even a wonderful quilt that a beginner can use. This quilt, as you can see here, captures the essence of a fairy tale woodland in the midst of autumn. Here you'll see we've got an owl, we've got leaves, even mushrooms, and all sorts of fun little autumn things with beautiful fall colors. In your first month, I do want to share with you several things that you will be receiving. So you'll first have your pattern. This is a pretty good sized pattern. There's a lot of good information in here. You'll have general information about the block of the month and how they've set it up. There'll be some pages to put your swatches on as we go through here. So as you receive your fabrics, you'll be able to cut little swatches and have those saved for further reference. And then you've got some basic instructions here, that swatch page is. And then it goes into your very first month, and it gives you your cutting and piecing instructions. So in the first month, you'll notice that the fabrics have all sorts of interesting names, like we have Rust Plus and we have Orange Dots. So we have a fabric key that will be in your first month as well that will also coordinate with the names that are in your pattern. So again, that's some good information. Plus, we have this fabric key also online that you'll be able to access that there as well. So in your first month, you'll be receiving all the fabrics that are shown here. We also have a little note here with regards to the names of the different fabrics and how to associate them with the colors that you receive. We also have that fabric key that I spoke to you about that will also name your fabrics. In addition, there is this beautiful welcome letter that we've created for you that gives you just some general information. It talks about when your block of the month will bill. It talks about how many months are in the program, and it also indicates that with your block of the month, it also includes not only your fabric for your quilt top, but you'll also have backing fabric as well. When you open up your welcome letter, you'll have the picture of the beautiful quilt, and then we've got several QR codes that will help you to access general information. So again, there'll be that fabric key QR code. We've got a code to have you subscribe to our newsletter, and we really encourage you to do that because it gives you an opportunity to learn about all the other programs and things that we have going on here at Stitchin Heaven. We also have a code that will allow you to update your billing address. The most important one, though, is our Facebook group QR code. So we really encourage all of you quilters out there that will be quilting this beautiful quilt to join that Facebook group, because this is a place where you can join a community and can share your tips and tricks and photos of your quilt as you proceed each month. We also have on the back some general information with regards to our store hours and our customer service team hours as well. So if for some reason you have a question and you're not able to get it answered in the Facebook group, we do have a wonderful customer service team that you can call, and they'll be able to assist you as well. We really look forward to having you a part of this block of the month. Now, if for some reason you weren't able to get in on this one, I encourage you to go to stitchinheaven.com, click on our block of the month tab, and you'll be able to see a variety of block of the month programs that we offer to our customers, and I'm sure there is one quilt out there that will speak to you. If you find that quilt, click on that register button and register right away so that you can be a part of our Stitch in Heaven family. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.